Welcome to Boomhauer 69's channel, and today Boomhauer's gonna show a product that I got at Walmart department store. I needed a new hair clipper because I broke my other one, and it was a wall shaver, and it fell, and I broke some of the teeth off the blade, so I needed a new one. And I saw this one, and what caught my eye was the price with the Conair. Here's what the box looks like. This is a 10-piece hair clipper set. Now, I use these types of shavers to shave my beard and stuff. When it gets really long, I will use one of these and shave, and then to get a closer shave, I'll use like a manual razor and stuff. But I don't use these to cut my hair. I go to a regular barber shop for that. But in the past, I've had Conair products and of their shavers and the hair clippers, and they worked really well and had good luck with them. That's why I bought this, and plus it caught my eye. What caught my eye was the price. I was shocked for around $10, and you still get a electric hair trimmer. This was $10.97, and then that was the price, and whatever tax was on that, it came to around 11 something. So in total, but the actual price for this, like if you see it on the shelf, it will say $10.97. But let's open it up. I've already opened this up off camera, but I'll open up on camera here to show you what you get. Let's pull everything out. All this stuff. Now here's the instruction booklet that comes with it. It's got that accordion style, instructions. Accordion style instruction pamphlet with all your different languages on there for how to use it. What you get with is pretty standard. You get your little, for if you're cutting your hair, you get the little different size, different little attachments to whatever length you want to trim your hair at. You get one of these little hair clippers to one of these little hair pins, whatever. You get a little brush to clean the blades. Some little basic oil. Now, as far as oil, when I oil up blades, I just use 3-in-1 oil to oil up my blades. I don't even bother with the little oil they give you. Yeah, and then of course you get a comb, a basic little comb to brush your hair while trimming. Here's the main piece here, the actual trimmer. See if I can get it out of the bag here. But there's what it looks like. It's got a little protective case on it. Now, right off the bat, this is lightweight. You can tell it's cheap. You can tell it's a cheapo, where if you was to drop this, you would definitely break it. So I wouldn't recommend dropping it, or you'll definitely be out $10. But there's what the blades look like. I never used this yet, and I will update you people later on how well this cuts. I'm not going to do a video of me actual shaving. I think that'd be kind of gross, but we'll plug this in and see how this sounds, how loud it is. There's the on and off switch, and then there's the little screw to adjust your motor speed or whatever. Here's how loud it sounds. Yeah, it's got some kind of vibrations to it. My initial thoughts on this for a basic $10 shaver, it's not bad. It's your cheap basic Conair. I'm actually surprised that you can still, in this day and age, for only around $10 get a hair trimmer. I'm kind of shocked, because normally stuff would be, what used to be $10 would be $20, and so I will try this out and see if this works. And if this would work, I think this would be a great product to if it works really good for what I'm going to be using it for, trimming my beard and stuff. If this works out good and for the price, I think this would be a perfect product to, to give out, donate to your local thrift stores and places that help out families and homeless in need and stuff. Because I could see this being something useful for a homeless person, if they live near a park that has electrical outlets, and or they know a public restroom that has outlets where they could shave and trim up if they have something important to go to, maybe like an important meeting for housing or a job interview or something, it would be useful for that. Or if they simply have a little portable solar power station with outlet plugs on it, and they have a little mirror, they could, it would be handy for that if they have that sort of necessity. A lot of homeless would have access to like public restrooms with an outlet or something and stuff, or a local park. They could go. A lot of parks have a covered pavilion where there's some outlets and they could easily plug in there and trim up and stuff if they gotta shave or if they know how to cut their hair, they can cut their hair and stuff, and things like that. That's why I'm making this video, because I thought for the price, I thought this would be a good a good product to show people that out there you can still get a cheap basic hair clipper for people who are on a tight budget, or they're simply looking for something to donate to people and families in need, or homeless or whatever, to simply raise awareness about this product and stuff. But yeah. And when I do use this product, actually use it and see how well it is, I'll give you an update and my thoughts on how well it trimmed and cut. I'm going to wait until my beard gets a little more longer and a little more thicker to see if it will actually trim the thick hair and stuff. But hope you liked this video, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, or if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Comment your thoughts below, what you thought. Did you think this was a good video, bad video, or you just want to say hi, feel free to do that and stuff. And don't forget to share this video with everyone you know, and I'll also put it, if I can find this, on the Walmart website. I bought this in their department store. I'll look for it on their website, and I'll put a link down below, Walmart link down below for this product, if I can find one, on their website in the description box below, in case you want to purchase this for yourself and stuff. Hope you all have a good day, and thank you for watching Boomhauer69's YouTube channel.